Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox July 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. As I said in intro, we're unboxing Glossybox July 2023. If you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month, plus the shipping fee, which is £3, around £3 to £4. And every month you will receive 5 beauty products, from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get this box for only £10. So for this month theme, it's the summer escape. I like this card, and let's see if we can scan this one. Yes, we can. I'll show you here the magazine, and then I show you also the spoiler for next month. Usually they don't give the spoiler anymore, just the theme for next month. So the theme for next month is the bold, brave, and beautiful, and it says, this summer show yourself in all your glory. As here at Glossy, we are following the motto bold, brave, and beautiful. This August we will be keeping you in the summer mood, though a little more out there. We're talking eye-catching makeup looks and big and bold hair for the warm month, because all we want is to be seen and heard. Discover new cosmetics, skincare, hair care to take the spotlight. So join us this August and become the most bold, brave, and beautiful version of you. Let's see first. So you will get 2 products from We Are Paradox. So you will get volume shampoo and volume conditioner one. Both has 30 ml, so these are only travel size. And yes, and this one is just for fine and thin hair. I tried few products from this brand, We Are Paradox, and some of the products it's not really suit on my hair, but this one it says for fine and thin hair. I really have like a fine thin hair, so I might try this one. It's a sustainable, vegan, and natural Irish roots and biotech hop extract for body and bounce. So yes, and let's see what it says here. I did also my lineup spoiler of this subscription box, so if you want to check it out, I will pop in here. So this one, each one it's retail for £9.25, and it says the shampoo one, it says create a caring cleansing hair wash routine with this We Are Paradox volume shampoo. Created with hydrating and conditioning properties, this shampoo uplifts from the root upwards to frame your face with some voluminous locks this summer. And the conditioner one, it says feed your hair the good stuff this summer with the We Are Paradox volume condition infused with hope and white nettle. This conditioner helps promote the look of fullness, while the conditioner other golden elements consisting of hazelnut, coconut, and matcha green tea to help your hair capture a jaw-dropping shine. So yes, these are 2 products in here. I think you either receive the volume conditioner one or the moisture conditioner. It's here on the list. Next product you will get, it's this from Bondi Sun. I'm really excited for this one. This is the lip balm. It has SPF 50+ tropical mango sunscreen lip care. This one it's retail for $4.99. It's full size, and it says enjoy a sun-soaked day the Bondi Sun way. Hydrate and soothe dry lips with this nourishing Bondi Sun SPF 50+ lip balm. In this weather we need really a good SPF. It's quite hard to take it out. This, I like the smell. Yeah, quite hydrating. It has the taste, but yeah, it's quite like a thick one, quite hydrated one. We'll see, but I love the smell of the mango fruit scent one. And then the next one we have, I think this is just a lucky dip, but the same product. It's just a different shade. We have the Revolution Super Highlight Blush. Really cute packaging. It does look like this inside. Here we go. Really like the shape of this. This is a full size product too, and this one it's rated for 3 pounds, and it says get that golden hour glow with the Makeup Revolution highlighter, perfect color to suit any skin tone. This will be one of your staple products this summer. That's onto the tops of your cheekbone, Cupid's bow, and nose for that radiant gleam that lasts all day long. So yes, and then the last product I have in here, this is also random lucky dip one. You will either receive the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Taper Brush, or this one here from Aurica, which I have already. This is the Body Fragrance Mist, and it smells gorgeous. I love this smell, so I don't really mind receiving. I think I have 3 of these already, but I don't really mind because I used it. And then, so this one, it's rated for 18 pounds, so it's a full size. And the other product we will get a free gift. This is from Hygens. This is the Organic Face Scrub. Here we go. See inside. Oh, don't really like the scent. Quite strong scent. And yeah, it's a free gift, but it's rated for $7.50. And it says ultra gentle on sensitive skin. Hygens Organic Face Scrub is perfect for cleansing and purifying your skin this summer. Apply a medium amount to skin and add water to help exfoliate and deep clean your skin pores. So yes, that's all as you can see. So let's do a recap, lovelies. You will get products from We Are Paradox, which is the volume shampoo one and volume conditioner, but this one you might receive the moisture one, I think, because it's on the list. So yes, you will get that one, and you will get also the full size product from Bondi Sun, the lip balm with SPF 50+ Tropical Mango. I like this one. I like the scent. And then you will either receive this shade here or a different one, the Revolution Super Highlight Blush. And this one is a random too. You will either receive brush from Luxie, or either this one from Aurica, the body mist one, which is I love the scent of this product. And then you have a free gift from Hygens, which is the Organic Face Scrub. So in my opinion, lovely, it's an okay box for me. It's not their best box, but it's not their worst box too. So yes, it's okay-ish for me. So that's all for me, lovelies. If you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only 10 pounds. And you lovelies, what do you think of this box? What products did you receive? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.